Want to check your heart rate using your iPhone? Here's how to do it easily. Make sure to like and subscribe for more iPhone health tips. If you have an Apple Watch, it automatically tracks your heart rate and sends the data to your iPhone. Open the Health app, tap Browse, then tap Heart Rate and select Heart Rate to see your current and past readings. Don't have an Apple Watch? You can still check your heart rate using third-party apps. Go to the App Store and search for Heart Rate Monitor. Download apps like Cardiio or Instant Heart Rate. These use your iPhone's camera and flash to measure your pulse through your fingertip. Open the app, place your finger gently over the rear camera and stay still for a few seconds. You'll see your heart rate appear on screen. That's how to track your heart rate right from your iPhone. Like and subscribe for more health and tech tips.